service performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the one-to-one tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, while be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even when you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The one-to-one tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Collin,